Okay, once more because my iPhone is fucking a fucking bitch. So, this has nothing to do with making a new panel or whatever. Purely because people asked who is she, or what music did you play, or whatever, do you got a playlist? Endless questions about what the music was. And well, I thought there's one song that is really cool as well. At least I think it's really nice, but it's not the greatest quality. So normally I wouldn't play it at all, or probably most people wouldn't play it at all. At least not to showcase your speakers. So this is not really a showcase of what my speakers can do or whatever, because it's probably well, the original recording is not that great. But it's Wende, it's live at like a public event, a free event, and she does a live performance of Formidable. But I don't like the original song, but I do like this version. And in this video I'm just gonna play it, record it, and maybe overlay the original video, and you might have an idea why it is so cool. I'll also post the original link, of course, but because I'm not sure what it is, why I get goosebumps with this song. I mean, the recording is not that great, but that apparently, as we already knew, is not like the main thing. It's not the main thing you get goosebumps. Well, it can help, but usually it is something in the song. But I don't like the original song, so bear with me. I'm just gonna play it, and I'll make a playlist of like good recordings in the future. But if you want, look on YouTube. There are live recordings of Wende Snijders that are really nice, but more of the same chanson, which is cool, but this is something different, so I thought I'll just, you know, show it. I don't know. Probably have nothing to do. I don't think that's true, but here we go. Posting music Saturday, you know.
Formidable, formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais formidable.
Not sure
Nous étions
not
formidables.
sure how far I can push it, but maybe a little.
Formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais formidable. Nous étions formidables. Eh bébé, pardon monsieur, je vais pas vous draguer. Promis, juré. Je suis célibataire et depuis hier, putain, je peux pas faire des enfants, mais bon. Va bien! 5 minutes quoi! Je t'ai pas insulté, je suis poli. Courtois, un peu fort bourré. Ah, pour des filles comme moi, vous avez autre chose à faire. Vous pourriez dire où j'étais formidable. Formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais formidable. Nous étions formidables. Formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais formidable. Nous étions formidables. Tu t'es regardé. Tu penses que t'es bon parce que tu t'es marié. Mais c'est qu'un anneau, mec. T'emballe pas. Elle va te larguer comme ils font chaque fois. Et puis l'autre fille, tu lui en as parlé? Si tu veux, je lui dis comme ça, ben c'est réglé. Et au petit bien sûr, d'un sourire. Attendez 3 jours, c'est tout. Il l'a revu. Si c'est formidable. Formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais formidable. Nous étions formidables. maman est chiante, c'est parce qu'elle a peur d'être maman. Si papa trop maman, c'est parce que maman est vieille. Tiens, mais pourquoi tais-tu? Et qu'est-ce que vous avez tous à me regarder comme un singe? Oh, vous êtes ça, vous, bande de macaques. Donnez-moi un bébé singe et il sera formidable. Formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais formidable. Nous étions formidables. J'étais formidable, nous étions formidables.
She has some shoulders. She has more shoulders than me, I think. It's not like I have much shoulders at all, but well, anyhow. Yeah, so if someone has a better recording of this version, I would really like to have it. So it's kind of a shout out for people that might have a better recording. I don't know. Yeah. Probably gonna work on the mid-range, maybe tomorrow, not sure yet. Depending on time. I mean, I only have one day off, so I might as well enjoy the weather. I mean, it's gonna be hot, and I live near the beach, so maybe I'll grab the beach, I don't know. See you around.